Hey everyone, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today, dumating na ngayon yung mga bagong shades ng Bilena lip and cheek rollers. So ayun, sa Lazada ko pala ito nakikita. Sa mga, pumunta ko sa mga counters ng Bilena, wala pa yung mga new shades nila. Sa unang 3 shades na nilabas nila, isa lang yung binili ko, which is Uptown Red, and I also did a review on this. I will link it here. 15 hours ko siyang sinuot, pero I'll try my best to wear this as long as possible. You can buy these at Lazada, kaso yun nga, walang choice para bumili ng isang shade lang. May nakita ko 2 shades pwede mong bilhin, pero it's always a bundle. So ayun, 675 ba siya? Tapos 5 shades makukuha mo. Tapos may free kang pouch. Ayan, wake up and makeup. Yan yung nakalagay. So, ayan, you get a free pouch. Do I need a free pouch? No. So, ayan. If you guys want to know my thoughts about these, then please keep on watching. Gusto ko yung Bilena lip and cheek roller kasi hindi siya yung favorite ko. Medyo may hangover pa ako sa Vice lip and cheek tint, which is the best local lip tint talaga, guys. If you haven't tried that, I highly recommend you guys try that. I also review that. Link it here. Pero, ayun. So, pero hindi ko mapigilan na hindi to itry. Tapos parang, alam mo yung kakabili ko lang ng Vice and lip and cheek. Tapos biglang lumabas to. Tapos sabi ko sa sarili ko, ito na yung last na lip and cheek tint na bibili ko ngayong taon. Repeat times 10. I do like the Bilena lip and cheek rollers. Actually, yung Uptown Red, yung madalas kong ginagamit for that gradient look. Tapos minamatch ko siya sa aking lips. Kasi actually, long-lasting siya. Yung texture niya, parang dry siya ng velvety na texture. Not really the best one for the lips kasi inis na inis ako sa mga roller na type na packaging. Pero, ayun. Ang dami kong chinenes. Pero, ayun. I-swatch muna natin siya and let's see kung anong gagamitin natin sa ating cheeks. So, ayun. So, the reason why I even bought this bundle in the first place is because of Toast of New York. As in, I love the Toast of New York na Bilena. So, ito talaga yung nag-sold sa akin ng tints na to. So, ito yung liquid lipstick tsaka yung lip liner ng Toast of New York. Now, I don't have the matte lipstick kasi I'm not really a big fan of the matte lipstick. Medyo drying siya. So, ito yung swatch ng Toast of New York. So, of course, hindi naman sila magiging sobrang magkapareho, diba? But, yes, I'm gonna swatch Toast of New York right beside it. Ayan. Ayan. Oy, medyo nga magka-tone siya. Ang saya! Ayan. Medyo magka-tone pala siya. This is one of my favorite lip shades sa EB Liquid Lipstick. Tapos ito yung kanilang matte lip liner. yung packaging lang talaga nito. Wala silang shades. So, ayan. Retractable siya. So, swatch din natin sa kabilang side. Ayan. So, basically, same color family siya. So, I'm so happy. Ayan. Okay. Yun, siguro Toast of New York ang gagamitin ko. I don't like this on top of powder. Talagang masistress ka sa pag-blend ito pag nilagay nyo on top of powder. When I first did a review on this one, blendable naman siya, yes. Kaso, it's not the most blendable one. Kung gusto nyo talaga ng super blendable, kunin nyo yung Vice. Pero hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pinopromote ko dito. Yung Ever Bilena ba ang Vice? Pero I really love that. I fell in love that. Kaya may hangover pa ako doon. Pero, ayun. So, gagamitin ko is Toast of New York for my cheeks. So, ang gagawin ko, I don't like putting it directly on my cheeks kasi grabe, ang lapit. Konti muna. Tapos, kukuha ko sa aking hand. Tapos, doon ko i-apply sa cheeks. Ayan. Tapos, kuha pa kayong konti para sa kabila. Ay, wala na. Wala nang umabot sa kabila. So, ayun. Yun lang. I feel like you're wasting a bit of product. Kaya ayaw ko talaga yung mga rollers. Pero, ayun. Tsaka, nung ni-review ko to dati, nung sinuot ko siya for 15 hours, talaga nagsistay siya sa cheeks nyo, guys. As in, nakaka-impress siya sa cheeks. Lagyan natin sa nose. Para lakas maka-sunburn. Ganun. Sun-kiss. Sunburn. Sun-kiss. Ciao. Hey everyone! So, pambahay mode. Hindi na talaga ako nagpalit. I hope you guys don't mind. And representing the Philippines, jeepney. Yeah, so at the start of this video, I actually got into an accident while I was filming my lip and cheek tint for the Ever Bilena one. So, yung day na yon, that's why wala akong lip swatch ng red balm sa lips. Kasi I was rushed to the ER and I was there for maybe 8 days. No, 9 days ako sa hospital. I checked in nung 24. Operation ko was on the 26th. So, ayun. I'm still healing. Pero ngayon, medyo may lakas na ako. So, I was able to sit down kasi for the longest time, hindi ko kayang umupo na matagal kasi masakit sa paa ko. Kasi, yun nga, yung blood flow, wala pa. So, basically, I broke my ankle. My right ankle, I broke 3 bones. So, every day may therapy ako and may follow-up ako lagi sa doctor. So, ayun, hindi pa ako nakakalakad. I can't walk my right foot yet. But, since I really love doing YouTube and I want to continue. So, kaya yan. Ang haba ng intro ko. Yeah, so the Ever Bilena lip and cheek rollers. So, lumabas to maybe a few months ago. I also did a review on it. I will link it here. And I wore that for 15 hours. Tapos, naglabas sila ng 5 new shades. So, I ordered mine. Tapos, may free pouch nga siya. Tapos, ito yung 5 shades. Tapos, ito rin yung Uptown Red. So, actually, I was planning to film this yesterday kaso masyado akong pagod. So, ilang beses ko sinabi ang word na pagod. But, yeah, pagod ako kahapon. So, sobrang bahay mode. Hello. Di ko man lang naisip magpalit talaga. But anyways, I wore this yesterday. Tapos, hindi ko talaga siya gusto sa cheeks ko ever since. Kahit on top of powder, malamang mahirap siya i-blend. Even on top of foundation, I don't like it. On bare skin, I don't like it. Hindi naman siya yung sobrang hirap i-blend sa cheeks. Actually, mas blendable siya compared to other lip tints. Pero, tapos maganda, may pagka soft velvet finish siya. Pero hindi ko talaga siya gusto sa cheeks. So, the reason why I bought this, ba't ko pa binili kung hindi ko naman siya gusto sa cheeks? I actually really like it for my lips. Very long lasting siya. So, madalas ko siyang ginagamit underneath like mga velvet lip tints ko. Like nung, like sa, if I can find it, like si Peri Pera Airy Ink Velvet. Gustong-gusto ko itong ginagamit sa inner corner, ay sa inner part. Tapos sa gilid lang yung Peri Pera. Malakas siyang maka-Korean vibes. Tsaka long-lasting talaga siya. Sa lahat ng lip tints ko locally at the moment, ito yung pinaka-long-lasting. So gustong-gusto ko siya sa aking lips. As in, guys, sobrang long-lasting talaga to. So, ayun. To be honest, yung last two shades nila, which is, if I can find it, halos pareho lang sila. So, this is Red Bomb, and this is Mandarin Muse. Ayan. Ito yung Mandarin Muse. Mas orange lang siya, tapos ito mas red. Pero for me, I feel like you already have something ganito, like sa unang collection. I only have one shade from the first collection, which is Up Down Red. So, swatch natin. Wow! Grabe. Ito yung napansin ko. New collection now. Mas madali siyang mag-set compared sa past collection. Tingnan nyo yung past collection. Mas watery yung past collection. Yun pala. Kaya pala medyo mas mahirap siyang i-blend. Yeah, so I don't really recommend the Red Bomb or the Mandarin Muse kasi feeling ko pareho lang siya ng madaming other like lip tints. But the one that I really like is you have Toast of New York, Coral Crush, and Whipped Blush. Yung Whipped Blush is actually yung pinaka-unique sa lahat ng shades na meron sila. So, swatch ko sa kabilang side. So, ito yung Whipped Blush. Ito, lakas tong maka, bata. Ito. Yung Whipped Blush, mas watery siya. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi consistent yung formula. Now that I'm swatching them again, hindi siya masyadong consistent. You guys could see yung Mandarin Muse, tsaka yung Red Bomb, mabilis mag-dry. Pero yung Whipped Blush, it's still on the watery side. Ito yung Whipped Blush. Then, next is Toast of New York. Toast of New York is actually what I have on my lips right now. I love the liquid lipstick of this one and also the lip liner. So, ito yung Toast of New York. Kind of more on the brown side. So, ayun no, watery siya. That is Toast of New York. Then, the last one is Coral Crush. Ito, lakas maka-Korean vibes tong Coral Crush. Ayan. Para siyang mix ng Red Bomb tsaka Mandarin Muse. So, blend natin. Ayan. So, the three shades remain the same with the original formula, yung medyo watery, tas hindi siya mahirap i-blend. Pero yung Red Bomb tsaka Mandarin Muse, I don't know why, it sets really, really fast. So, ayun lang. Yun. So, if ever you want to check out something from the Bilena Lip Pen Cheek Rollers, yung maganda is yung Coral Crush, Toast of New York, tsaka Whipped Blush. So, ay yung tatlong to. So, yeah. Wala, nawawala sa focus. So, grabe, init. So, yeah. So, hope you guys like this review. Sorry kung medyo napatagal ang aking pag-upload. And I'll try to upload as much videos as I can in this current setup that I have. And, yeah, hope you guys like this video. Again, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell right beside it so you'll be notified if I upload new videos here and there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!